So this time I created a Google Forms. You can see where I put questions. All you have to do is you put a title. You can put a description if you want. And then when you get down here, you can hit this plus to add a question. And it will originally be multiple choice, but you can click down and there's checkboxes, drop down, short answer, paragraph, stuff like that. And so I have a bunch of these in their short answer. You can move them around if you want. You can move, there we go. And then all you have to do is you go up here, click the preview, get the link and send it to your students. And then you can have them type in their answers. When they're done, they hit submit. And these are some of the responses that I've gotten. This is a short answer, so you won't be able to see the most common answer if it was right or wrong, because these aren't necessarily yes or right. But you can also see individual answers, which is pretty cool. Alright.